the sky comes falling, even the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I, so put your pretty little hand in mine.
I'm gonna lay down my bird, Michael. Yes, mommy. Come here to me. Me get the results, them, you know. And we are go. Come here to me, man. Cause me not too understand that one. It's a maths. You get VI. I don't understand what VI mean. I still don't understand. Let me get VI. VI mean, I still. Oh, mommy, you know what that means? I'm a very intelligent. Yes, mommy. Very intelligent. Oh, very intelligent. 100%. Now that's English. I must do good in English because I talk English, my son. Get to English, English. V-I-I. V-I-I. Mommy, that means I'm intelligent 2 times. Very intelligent 2 times. Very intelligent 2 times. I'm calling you. Yes, but I'm calling you. I'm sorry, no, so I'm talking to Josh, mother, and Josh say our son only get beer one. That means I'm only intelligent alone. I'm glad to say you very intelligent and I'm a son. Beer, V-I and V-I.
Sir, 6 feet, please, sir, 6 feet. Oh, sorry. No, man, I never did say there, no, man.
Sir, I was right here.
What you mean? Where you try something? See, Nile?
Sir,
Jesus Christ, you take off your mask. That man, your man. Sir, step back.
Generally, master for hand, you see.
Sir, step back. The man you trying to kill me, sir, step back. See how you come left out of the yard to come kill people. Why not step back some more, man? Sir, step back.
Sir, calm down, sir. Calm down, sir.
Step back, sir.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 way, boy.
Yeah, morning. Excuse me, security. Security.
The back of the line begins down there, sir.
Yeah, I know, sir. I'm just asking you about...
I said the back of the line begins down there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to say I spoke to the manager this morning.
What do you want to see the manager for?
I have a letter to see the manager.
The Lee in your spell, if the Lee in your name spell wrong, it's L-E-E, not L-I-E.
Sir, that is my name, but...
Yeah, so you got to
I'm
come
saying
back.
I have an appointment to see the manager at 1.
Here, sir. If you had an appointment at 1, you should have come at 8. You see the line in front of you.
It is I have an appointment.
These are people waiting. Okay, so I cannot help you today.
But security, I spoke with the manager earlier this morning.
The back of the line is down there, sir. The manager is on lunch.
Hello? Hello, is this Patricia?
Yes.
Yes, I'm coming to you as a woman because your man can't just decide to treat us women any way he feels. It's so unfair. You are come to me as a woman? Well, me I come to you as a mortician. Cause clearly you don't love your life. And if I'm even personally killing myself, miss, I say I would have dressed on your body. Dab on your makeup, push it in your casket, sit down front row your service, and go in your grave like a ball and carry on like me and was best friend. Don't play with me. Don't do that. Don't do it. But you come to me as a woman, you come to me as a dead body. Wow. I'm gonna run man joke. Leave my man alone. And if you think about how I come call back this number, make sure you dial 911 first.
Go on Instagram, I see one chain, I like the chain. I ask the people how much for the chain on the comment. Hear them not dare me. Keep the bumbuckler secret. Me keep the secret. Dare me if you want. Tell me the price or put the price on the bumbuckler goods. So me have to dare me if I work.
Imagine enough. I put on my $500 food in and my 2 slices of pizza them and Cavell. You know say Cavell eat me things. I know. I can't talk about I'm gonna tell her to eat it. I know me hungry now. I'm nothing to eat. And then mommy, I just pop mommy not even care more about my money cause guess mommy go poison Cavell me go prison for murder for me young age. Me not done school, me not do nothing. Me I go prison.
Sir, are you aware you're sitting in an exit row?
Are you willing and able to assist in the case of an emergency? Well then, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to sit somewhere else. Excuse me? Well, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to change your seat. Sir! But, sir, you know, see people like you make flight attendants want to take flight for your blows that. I want to, sir, come out of the chair, please, and dance. Sir! You know what? You go on a no food list. You not get no cookie. You not get no Pringles. You not get no ginger ale. You go starve for the 8 hours with the panda plane here. Sir, come out of the chair. But sir! You know what? Ruby, come angle the passenger please before me thump him in the eye.
Sir, your new seat is now 14E.
Hello, miss.
Come in, me have all this son out. What we want?
Hey, man, I'm there with you.
Like really, sir?
Okay, so I'm work at 9 to 5. I'm a hard-working person. I'm a family person. I'm easy for work with. If you did it for your period, I'm gonna stay home with you. I'm gonna say alright, and always do the fear, and always fix your problem them.
And what can you offer to the table?
What can I offer? We can build you spiritually as a person.
Shh, your turn.
Yo, my friend, what you know?
Ooh, that one look nice.
Me not work at 9 to 5, me a chopper.
Ooh.
Every day, me I put on a white t-shirt like me not no more clothes. Anytime you're hungry, KFC in your belly.
Ooh.
iPhone 12, AirPods. And if that fuck don't make you get wet.
What? Button press?
Button press. Actually, my friend, you come or not, the extra chocolate find your ass in the car.
Yes, sir, I'm coming. So about me.
Warning, a cough has been detected. For your safety and the safety of others, authorities have been dispatched and will be arriving at your location shortly. You will be taken to the nearest quarantine facility where you will be tested and monitored. Please remain at your location. Unauthorized movement is strongly prohibited. We're all in this together.
Yeah.
You wear ear under your arm? Alright. I must say idiot, man. I want me to hear just see that a dirty style be. That a dirty style be. Go shave out the dirty ear them from under your arm, youth. Go shave out the dirty ear them from under your arm.
No, you can't call about you and call people for.
Oh, you mean me not fi ask for another woman? If it's natural, every woman me know want shave out the ear them from under them arm. Because it really look disgusting. And you want grow it?
Jamaican men be like.
Yo, listen, any girl when me chat to one fit go good when you talk. You lie for me, never get to spend time with you. Jump and sleep after 12 and me dying for your cup to spend more time with you. Hurry up, cut it up and light it up. A little grabber that to nice it up. Under me liquor plus a split, you just a go turn up the vibes, you know. Them ya grabber, ya get no light, you know. Just take a puff and pass it on, I know I do that for the night, you know. Right now me hype, you know. It has spill me feel nice. Right now me hype. Officer no bother try. Big sniff in the mouth, wind down, wing the good night. Me have my license alright. Sitting at the envelope, you and your squaddy would I like.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was someone so pleasant about that place.
Hey, big man thing, me see you from afar and say me I forget your number today. Anyways, that's you know my name RJ. See, me can dance, me can cook, me can clean, me can do every mama rated. Anyways, because you take and thing, but you know, me kinda slope on the college thing, but me can't pick up skills. But anyways, me can't get your WhatsApp skills or your Instagram. Like, let me have a book writer so I could name out some of the things. Yeah man, that blood cloud that make you sick. Yeah man.
Hot girls summer be like.
somewhere far away. I
See, I go down the road yesterday and the girl just laugh people like yo, I said the girl just laugh now. Because you never said, every time you see me say laugh. Easy. Come on there. All the time you see me say laugh.
Bad man, me I tell you, me can't kick away football man. That's to me never ever good cricket ball. You can't play ball like me dog and that man try show you. You can't bad man, you can't play ball like me dog. I'm tell you. Come phone now, come on. Your phone? Yeah, at least I can't go on phone shop and fix it dog. I can't fix that, give me that. Dad, you sure you can't fix this? Yeah man, I can't fix it dog, me I play mine now. Okay, so first thing first. Dad, what you do? That way I do. Let's spin on the battery. My money can't fix it in the dog. What on it? Yeah, this can't fix back in the dog. Big man thing. And that's why I buy a new one.
One Jamaicans don't want to share.
I force me to eat from morning. I force me to eat from morning. Yeah man, just easy the bread and just make you know say I force me to eat from morning. Me just make you know.
Yo, you know so them nowadays pitney are different. Yeah, imagine you're 13 and have X. You worry about the X. When me at 13, me in the car, I wonder why the moon a follow me everywhere me I go. When I look through the window, I make a turn, I still see the moon a follow me. I want to look a pitney I worry about X relationship and all sort of manner.